Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano chords accompaniment Golden by Huntrix from Kpop Demon Hunters. So I'll just give you a quick preview before we begin. We're going up, it's our moment. You know together we're going, gonna be golden. Up, is our voices. So that was a snippet of what you're going to be learning. I've left the full chords and lyrics linked in the description below, so let's begin. This one is in the key of G major. So these are the notes we are working with. Here is middle C as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. On the screen, the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange. So we'll look at the intro first. So I'll just play it for you. So the right hand then, the notes are on the top screen there. A, B, 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 C, B, A, G. Do that again. We play that through 7 times, but with a different chord at the start of each one. And on the 7th time, we play this B that rings through before the verse starts. Let's have a look at the left hand. We have C major, second inversion, so that's G, C and E. And we play the chord with the first A in the right hand and we hold that down. I'm using the pedal. And the next chord is G major, so it's G, B, D. Same again. The next chord is D major, second inversion, so that's A, D and F sharp. Let's get your hand further up the keys. And then we have E minor, first inversion, so that's G, B, E. And then we go back to the C chord again. G chord again, then the D major chord again, and then we play that B by itself. So I'll play it all again slowly without talking, and then we'll move on to the verse. Okay, so now into the verse. Without singing, I'll just play it through a couple of times first. So this is just now the chord progression. So we repeat that chord progression 4 times to the verse. The chords are the same chords we played with the left hand for the intro, but we're now going to be playing with the right hand. So we have C major, I'm just going to hold these down, and then G major, D major, E minor. And as I said, we do this chord progression through 4 times. In the left hand, I'm playing octaves, not at the same time, so lowest and then highest. I'm playing in like a swing rhythm. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 notes. And then G with the G major. And then D with the D major. And then E with E minor. I'll do it again. So I'll just demonstrate the verse with some vocals. Again, I won't sing the Korean parts. I was a ghost, I was alone. Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe. I was a queen that I meant to be. Lived two lives, try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a problem child, 'cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Okay, so now into this pre-chorus, and we're just going to hold these chords down. So we have the C major that we played before. You don't have to play in octaves, you can just play single note. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. G major. You can play octave Gs, or you can play G and D in the left hand. And then we play the D major, how we've played it before. And then E minor, how we played it before. And then back to the C major. G major. And then we just hold the D down for double the amount of time. So if I just demonstrate the pre-chorus now then. I'm just going to sing this next part an octave lower. This gets a little bit too high for me. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far now, I believe. Okay, now we're into the chorus. So the chords, same sort of chords, maybe a couple of them will be played in a slightly different way. The left hand's going to go back to this long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short pattern. And the right hand, you can play every time you hit the lowest octave, you can play the chord. So that chord progression, we repeat it 4 times. So we have C major, D major, how we've played it before, and then you can play G major, how we've played it before, but I'm going to move up here and play it in first inversion, which is B, D, G. So my left hand can come up. So we have G major with G in the left hand, but we're going to do this for half the amount. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a sort of new chord, it's a slash chord. The right hand goes back to playing D major, but the left hand is going to play F sharp. And then we go to E minor, how we've played it before. So from the G, so it's like a passing chord, so the bass. So to help lead the bass from G to E by playing this F sharp in the middle. So I'll do that again all slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, D over F sharp, E minor. Repeat, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G. And we do that 4 times through. So I'm going to sing this an octave lower again because it's just so high, just to demonstrate it. Again, I'm not going to sing the Korean parts. We're going up. we're into the bridge part, and this is where there's actual piano part in the song. So we'll go through the chords first, and we're just going to hold these chords down. So I'm going to play E and B in the left hand. In the right hand, I'm going to play E, G, B. I'm going to hold these down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then D major. So you can just play a single D in the left hand or octave Ds. In the right hand, we're going to play first inversion. So that's F sharp, A, and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. We play that chord again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C major. So C's in the left hand or a single C. And in the right hand, E, G, C. So far from the bridge, we have E minor, D major, D major, C major. And then we have G major, how we've played before, so root position, 1, 2, 3, 4. D major, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. D major again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just demonstrate this bridge part then. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. But these patterns all in the past now, and finally live the girl they all see. And now we're going to be into the pre-chorus. No more hiding, I'll be shining. This part. So we have E minor. So we're going to play E minor back to how we've been playing it before, with G, B, E. I'm just going to play single notes in the left hand. No more hiding. D major, how we've played it before. So A, D, F sharp with D in the left hand. I'll be shining. And then we have a new chord, which is B minor. So from this chord, all we're going to do is change the A to a B, and then play B in the left hand. This is B minor, root position. Like I'm wanna be. And then C major, how we've had it before. G, C, E. So I'll just do that first bit again. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm wanna be. And then we go back to E minor, 'cause we are hunters. Then we have B minor next. Voice is strong and then C major. I know I believe. And then D major at the end. So I'll do that last bit again. E minor, 'cause we are hunters. Voice is strong and I know I believe. So the whole of the pre-chorus after the bridge goes, no more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong and I know I believe. Now we're into the chorus, which we're going to play the same way as before. We're going up. We just continue that chord progression another 2 more times. We end how we start it with the very first intro part again. So I'll just continue to the end.
end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.